I have a list here in my hand, and if I call your churches or your name, please stand up so that we can recognize you. First, we have our President.
I might let go of my negative feelings towards you. I might intentionally do that, but then every time I see you, I still have the human nature will still be prevalent, di ba?
The restore the relationships, and that is one gain that you also get from there.
Just to hear this one, because we know that sometimes we are overpowered by our pride. Oh no, I'm not the wrong one. He's the one. He should be the one.
Engage activities such as
Hi. Say hi.
And then the priest comes out, and then leading our wife, our children in front of you. And then we
Happy Father's Day. Once again, let's give them a big hand. Thank you, Master. Okay. So, now, at this moment, always as a family, we join hands together, lifting praises to the Father above, for sending His Son, chosen together as a family to serve Him. The keys of death
Thank you everyone for coming. The president again on the 6th anniversary. Bye-bye! Salamat kaso! See you again! Meet you again.
Ay, salamat eh. Salamat pagkanto.
Thank you.
Hello!
Kuya! Tatay! Grabe tatay, oh.